Did you know a teenage hostage once built an empire that terrorized China for over 200 years? This is the incredible story of Modu Chanyu. When Modu was just a teenager, his own father sent him as a hostage to enemy tribes. But that wasn't cruel enough. His father then attacked those same enemies, expecting Modu to die in the battle. Instead, the clever boy stole a horse and escaped back home. Now here's where it gets dark. Modu invented a twisted training system using whistling arrows. His warriors had to shoot whatever his special arrow targeted. First, he aimed at his favorite horse. Those who didn't shoot were executed. Next, he aimed at his own wife. Again, anyone who hesitated was killed. Finally, during a hunt, Modu aimed his whistling arrow at his father. His perfectly trained warriors didn't hesitate. They shot and killed the king, making Modu the new leader. Under his rule, the Xiongnu tribes united into a massive empire of 300,000 mounted archers. They forced Chinese emperors to pay huge tributes, and even sparked the creation of the Silk Road.